What do you have to do in order to create the world's thinnest convertible laptop? It's a question we've set out to answer from day one. And the new ZenBook Flip S turns out to be one of our most powerful laptops, with no flip side for you to become truly mobile. From the materials used through to the engineering process, we have exhausted every possibility to get to this. Starting with an ultra-thin yet strong chassis sculpted from a single solid block of aerospace-grade 6013 premium aluminium, the metal unibody is 50% stronger and lighter than the industry standard, while weighing only 1.1 kilograms and measuring just 10.9 millimeters thick. At the heart of the incredibly thin convertible design lies the 360-degree ErgoLift hinge. This 3.9mm precision-engineered and custom-made aluminium hinge not only provides silky smooth action, but also long-lasting stability at any angle. We have moved the hinge to the display, so when you tilt it past 135 degrees, the keyboard automatically lifts to the optimum typing angle. Each hinge is tested and examined 20,000 times to ensure maximum stability and build quality. Thermal management had to be redesigned for a notebook this thin. By incorporating an intricate 0.3mm liquid crystal polymer fan and a vapor chamber that spreads heat in all directions, we were able to increase heat dissipation by 50%, delivering even better performance with up to 11.5 hours of battery life. The immersive ZenBook experience starts with the captivating 4K Touch slim bezel nano edge display. In order to create an ultra-thin display panel, a mere 0.55mm thin plate is painstakingly chosen for monitor integration through pre-processed panel material design. This also gives us the additional room for the Corning Gorilla Glass to enhance touch sensitivity as well as protection. Asus TrueVivid technology ensures maximum brightness and natural images. The ZenBook Flip S also comes with a pressure-sensitive Asus pen. This remarkable stylus detects subtle variations in pen tip force, allowing a new level of precision and creative freedom. The Asus pen can also deliver stunning accuracy within only 0.4mm bias tolerance, resulting in a natural and familiar drawing experience. Besides designing our product to be remarkably versatile, we have also taken great measures to make it uniquely personal. The Zen-inspired spun metal finish was created through a 40-step polishing process and dual anodized diamond cut, resulting in subtle yet sophisticated aesthetics. Underlying the carefully crafted design is the pro-level Intel Core i7 processor. By carefully rearranging each component, we were able to fit in high-speed storage and memory technologies, making everything you do faster and more responsive. Even when you do need to plug in, the USB-C can charge up to 60% of the battery in just 49 minutes. It also gives you faster data transfer and expandability with the bundled mini dock. The ZenBook Flip S is designed to give you an optimal Windows 10 experience using up-to-the-minute applications such as Windows Ink, meeting all your office needs and more. With the 3.6mm fingerprint scanner and Windows Hello, you can quickly and easily unlock the laptop in any mode. And a 2-channel smart amplifier and Harman Kardon certified audio system give you high-fidelity, distortion-free audio that fills the room. ZenBook Flip S delivers true portability and pro-level performance without compromising on elegance. Beauty and power, any way you look at it.